Hey guys, we're back with another room tour for you. This time we're bringing you back to the LinQ. We did a LinQ video a while ago. This is actually a really nice upgraded room. So before I get started, I am Caesar's Diamond. If you're not signed up for Caesar's Rewards, sign up as soon as you get here. You earn points, you earn comps, you earn reward credits that you could use for spend at the shops, you can use it for gambling, all kinds of different things. So get on their website, you can sign up and pick it up here, or you could just pick it up, sign up and pick it up at any Caesar's property throughout the country. So let's get to it. We are at the LinQ. Now, we haven't been here in a while, and we wanted to come back and check it out now that Vegas is at 100%. So I did get a complimentary room, one king, non-smoking, like we typically do if you watch our videos. But you know what? Feeling a little crazy here in Vegas, feeling a little lucky, so I paid a couple extra bucks for an upgrade just to get a nicer room because I already have the comp, so it's not really that much of a difference. So here we are, we're in the entry. Before I get started, this is it's a step above a junior suite. So you have your standard room, then you have a junior suite, which is just a little bit more room from the standard room. And then you have the suite, which is what I'm gonna show you here. It's actually two bathrooms, a living room, wet bar, all that stuff, so I'll show you now. So here we are in the entry, pretty standard, right? Nothing special there. You got your AC. Here is bathroom number one. This is like your guest bathroom at home, right? Really nice upgrade here, especially for an older property like this. And then just past the bathroom, you're in their wet bar area. So you do have a sink, mix yourself some cocktails right there. What do you have down here? You got your refrigerator, which for refrigerators, again, you can get a refrigerator in any room. Standard rooms come with a refrigerator also here at the LinQ. You don't have to pay anything extra for a fridge. So regardless of the room type, you're gonna get a refrigerator. So there's that there. Pretty nice. And then some seating here on the counter. And this is nice too, because if you're meeting people here, and I don't know how many times you guys have come with groups of people and you go to each other's rooms and let's go have a drink, let's wait for someone to get ready, and everybody's sitting on the bed in a crowded room. So this is nice because it keeps that separated there. So again, 4 chairs over here, nice big couch with your flat screen, pretty big space. And then, this is why we paid a little bit extra, because I did want to have a view of the pool, which we're going to be at in about 10 minutes. So check out that view. So the pool, he did tell me that it's from 9 to 5. I got a pool view, and maybe he saw my little bit of gray. He said, "Are you sure it's gonna be a little bit loud there?" And I said, well, it's only for one night anyway. It's not like the pool's gonna really keep us up too late, because the pool here at the LinQ, I don't know about all of the properties, but the pool here at the LinQ is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's for hotel guests only hotel guests, and it's 21 and over. So keep that in mind. If you're coming with a family, the LinQ is probably not the property that you want to come to and bring kids, because they can't go to the pool. Now let's move into the bedroom. So right when you come into the bedroom, straight through the door, you have a bathroom, which is a pretty big bathroom. You have your closet to the left. Right when you come out of the bathroom, to your right, or where you come into the bedroom, to your left is your closet. It's just typical, just storage stuff there. You've got your safe, you've got a nice big cubby down there, ironing board, all the standard stuff that you would in any hotel room. So now you have the bedroom. You know, this is the first time that I've seen this. It's like a little hideaway storage thing that you would typically have at the foot of your bed, but for some reason it's there. You know what? I don't even mind it. Nice big bed. I like that the LinQ's beds they use a lower platform. You know, I don't know. I think it's a little bit more modern and trendy that it's a little bit lower to the ground. So here you have the other side of the room, right? So you have another pool view. You have it from the living room and from the bedroom. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this here. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to our channel for more content here in Vegas. What's not to like? All we're doing in our channel is bringing you Vegas. Comment below, let us know what you guys want to see. We'll do our best to bring it to you.